Have you ever noticed some people are not most talented or not even hardworking, yet everyone talks about them, yet everyone knows them? Do you know why does that happen? It happens because of the sixth law of the 48 laws of power book. That's why sixth law of the 48 laws of power book is important. Hi, my name is Mohit Sambria. I welcome you on my YouTube channel Mohit Experience. In this video, I will be explaining sixth law of the 48 laws of power book, and this is what I am going to do until I don't explain every each law of this book. So make sure you subscribe this channel and press the bell icon button so that whenever I upload any video based on this topic, you can watch that video at right time. Let me tell you what is the sixth law of the 48 laws of power book. So sixth law of the 48 laws of power book, that is court attention at all cost. This law says that don't stay invisible, don't blend into the background, stay positive and stand with positive manner. And this law says that people only respect and follow what they notice. So if you are not visible, if you don't keep your words with conviction, so you won't be able to be stay visible, and people will not respect you, because people only give their attention to those people who are visible. And attention gives you authority, visibility, power, and respect. But this law doesn't say that you need to create drama to get attention. You need to do something what you are good at. Let me make you understand with an example. Let's say there are two students in a school, both are very good at public speaking, but one first student always stays silent, never breaks the ice. But second student always stays visible and always breaks the ice. What do you think? Who would get more attention? The person who breaks the ice. So this is the real exemplification of this law. Let me tell you two ways how you can implement this law in your life. First is show your strength publicly. If you are good at something, show that publicly so that public can know you, who you are, and what you do. Second is be difficult but not noisy. This law doesn't say that you need to create drama, and this law doesn't want us to create something out of the box. This law says that speak with clarity and show what you are good at. So this was the sixth law of the 48 laws of power book, and this laws only says one thing, that stay visible so that people can know you, because attention gives you visibility and authority and power. So this was the sixth law of the 48 laws of power book. And if you want to know more about this book, and if you want to get free PDF of this book, you can follow me on my Instagram. I will be sharing free PDF of this book in your DM. And but make sure you follow me, and I'll see you in the next video.